Okay, so here we are. There's TikTok and there's TikTok Lite.
Change anything,
So
you're just going to keep getting the same
what I
outcome, right?
normally
And if I'm
do,
struggling to afford today's bills,
I'm sorry, I apologize. Let me put this down a little bit. So what sometimes I normally do is if I see, okay, let's go to home, and I'm scrolling like, okay, here's hers. It says CapCut, try this template. So, okay, that's something different. So let's try it. And then use this template in CapCut. Doesn't want to let me. $150 uses. Doesn't want to let me. Let me go back. Let's try something else.
If you're seeing my face, you're about to be a million. So according to the news, Melissa, you're like a top tier goddess.
Now I can't find a CapCut. There we go. Let's see, listen to the music. This is actually a good one, okay? So we'll use this template. Okay, it's 4 pictures. And then I normally follow the person that made the template. And then use template. So we're going to go to photos. We're going to go to Hawaii. So let's do this one. This one. View of outside. Snorkeling at night. Okay, so now we're gonna next. I like it. I don't like the video quality though. I don't like the way the pictures look. But this gives you kind of like an idea. Okay, and then I really don't like the glass. And then at the end, you could put your logo. And then you could put text. Add your text. And then we're going to put Hawaii 2026. We're going to hit the check. And then we're going to play it again. Now I want it huge. So we're going to edit. I'm going to go down. We're going to go to the color. We're going to go to size. We're going to make it huge. Oops. Huge. And then let's put the blue. And then you could change the font. I'm going to leave it like that. I like it. And then let's play it again. Not bad. Okay, so then in the corner, we're going to export it. And we're not going to share it to TikTok. I'm going to save it to my device. And the reason why is because of the resizing and all. Like, I don't want something to get cut off. or a word, like I don't want it to show 202 and not the 6. So I can look at it on different platforms. So now that that's done, then I could share to TikTok. Okay. So now this is where, okay, I use the effects here. So now let's go to effects. Motion, visual. Let's try glitter bomb. Let's try this one. Or fireworks. Let's do fireworks. Ooh, I like fireworks. Fireworks. Okay, so we're gonna use fireworks. Now we're gonna press save. I like the fireworks. Okay, now we're gonna press next. And then always on the bottom, I accept the music and usage confirmation. And then I don't know what the big deal is about not having CapCut. I don't know. I don't know what that's all about, but I don't mind saying that I use CapCut. So I don't know what the big deal is. And then I'm going to put my business name. And then I'm going to put Land of Enchantment. And then I'm going to put your travel agent for life. Okay, now we're going to post. So it is different on the phone, and it is different on the desktop. So I'm gonna see. Let's see how it looks. Stay on TikTok. Oops. So now it says CapCut free video editor. So that's pretty cool. So that's pretty much how I do it on the phone, which was easy. You saw how we just got the template. But I'm going to do some research and then I'll look on the desktop. So I hope this helps.